Fellow foodies, we're making mixed berry cobbler. It's a classic American dish that's perfect for a festive gathering or weeknight treat. Clean your fruit by soaking them in water and baking soda. Let the berries soak in the mixture for a few minutes. Then get ready to prep your strawberries. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you know I love a kitchen gadget, and I recently bought this $8 huller to remove leaves and stems. And honestly, I can't believe I haven't bought one sooner. It's been a must for my summer dessert making. When cutting the strawberries, I like quartering them because I find they mix easier with the other berries. And by the way, if you love a good dessert recipe, don't forget to show some love by liking and sharing this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button below. Using several cups of mixed berries, add some sweetener because what's a dessert without some sweetness? I love adding lemon zest for a little kick. I take that same lemon and I use freshly squeezed lemon juice for the berry mixture. Side note, I have the full ingredient list and instructions in the description box. Gently mix all the ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Using a square baking dish, I'm generously greasing it with butter. Pour and arrange the berry mixture into the prepared dish. Bake the cobbler at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Then add your pre-made biscuits and bake for another 10 minutes. You'll have the perfect mixed berry cobbler. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and happy savoring.